Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this series of video, I'm going to talk about SolidWorks scripting with Python. Before getting started, I'm going to use SolidWorks 221 and for Python IDE, I'm going to use Visual Studio. You can use whatever IDE you want and it's completely okay. In SolidWorks, sometimes we need to write some scripts. So in SolidWorks, we have something called macro, which is here. And if you don't have it here, don't worry. I will explain how to bring it here in next videos. This is a macro. We can record some of our actions. For example, I'm going to create a circle here for an example. And when I click stop macro, I can save this macro whatever I want. For example, I save it in my desktop and now I can edit it. For example, if I open it, you can see here a little code, a very small code to create a circle for me in SolidWorks. These codes are generated automatically and they are written in Visual Basic programming language. We can see here it is a very Visual Basic and we need to learn Visual Basic to be able to translate these codes to Python code and use them wherever we want. Maybe you are wondering why we should use Python scripting instead of using just Visual Basic here to write our scripts. There are different reasons, but for the most, when we want to start a project, for example, we have a optimization problem where we should create different parts and then run a FDM analysis for them. It's not efficient to write a code for FDM part in, I don't know, C++, and for the optimization part in, I don't know, Python, and for the CAD part in the Visual Basic. Personally, I prefer to just write a code in just one programming language, and I prefer Python because there are a lot of pre-built library we are able to use them. This is a intro video, and in the next several videos that I will record them and upload them in my channel, we are going to talk about macro, Visual Basic, how to control SolidWorks through Python, and then I'm going to talk about a sketch, how to write a script for a sketch part and feature part and maybe other part, for example, even motion study. And I believe at the end of this series of video, you are able to do whatever you want with scripting to create new parts or run studies in SolidWorks, and you are totally able to control SolidWorks through Python perfectly. Alright, see you guys in the next videos and goodbye.